Everyone loves to talk about results. We increase sales, we reduce costs, but very few people explain how those results actually happen. Today, I'm going to show you a real Amazon account we manage, a premium jewelry brand, and how we help grow sales by 270% while improving profitability. No theory, no fake screenshots, just an actual client case study. Today's case study is about 𝐶𝐞𝐞𝐝, a premium birdstone jewelry brand. When they came to Spectrum BPO, they were not struggling because of product quality. Their products were beautiful. The problem was everything happening behind the scenes. Their catalog had structural issues, listings were suppressed, and PPC campaigns were not organized. Contribution error kept appearing. Keyword ranking were inconsistent and scaling became extremely difficult. So this is something many Amazon sellers experience. The product is not the problem, the account structure is. What problem we found is during our audit, we identified 6 major issues. First was backend management problem, suppressed ASINs, contribution conflicts, parent-child variation issues. Second was catalog structure. Many attributes were not standardized. Important fields were inconsistent, which affect indexing and discoverability. Third one was organic rankings. Keywords were not being managed strategically. There was not proper ranking framework. And fourth was advertising. Most campaigns were not structured for scalability. Budget was not allocated efficiently. Winning search terms were not isolated. And fifth was daily operational workload. Instead of focusing on growth, the team was consistently fixing issues. And finally, account health. Scaling become impossible when Amazon keep throwing warnings and suppressions. We never start by increasing ad spend. We stabilize first. That's exactly what we did. Phase 1 was we cleaned every suppressed listing, fixed parent-child variations, corrected backend attributes, resolved compliance issues, and fixed product dimension errors. Phase 2 was we built the catalog, improved title structure, enhanced backend keywords, optimized images, improved A+ content, expanded keyword coverage. And phase 3 was we focused on PPC. Campaigns were segmented properly, budgets allocated based on intent, winning keywords received higher bids. Poor performers were reduced. Long-term ranking campaigns were separated from profitability campaigns. And phase 4 was continuous optimization. Every week, search term analysis, keyword indexing, bid optimization, performance reviews. Instead of making random changes, everything became data-driven. The results, after almost 378 days of management, here's what happened. Sales increased by 270%, session increased by 49%, unit order increased by 73%, organic sale doubled, ROAS improved by 44%, ACOS dropped by 31%. More importantly, the account became scalable. Instead of constantly fixing problems, the brand could now focus on growth. So biggest lesson is, if there is one lesson from this case study, is Amazon growth does not start with ads. It starts with fixing your foundation: catalog quality, backend data, listing health, variation structure, organic visibility. Then advertising amplifies what already works. Too many sellers spend thousands on PPC while ignoring structural problems, and no amount of advertising can fix a broken account. If your Amazon business feels stuck, don't assume you need more advertising. You may simply need a better structure. If you like our team at Spectrum BPO to audit your account, the link is in the description. We will identify exactly what's holding your business back and show you where the biggest growth opportunities are. If you enjoyed this case study, subscribe for more real Amazon account breakdowns. See you in the next one.